Let's take a look at what happened today with Tesla. We closed at 378.17, down $14. Post-market, that's 3.58% down. Post-market, we are down by $1.25 more. So remember our downward resistance right here. So the highs are getting low and the lows are getting high right here, except today. So today, we have a low that's lower than our support line. The support line is right here, and we have closed below. So this is not super good news. Let's take a look at the 1 hour chart. So on the 1 hour chart, this is a little bit clearer. On the 1 hour chart, the first hour of the day, we closed below 384.27, 384.27. This is the second support right here. So we closed below it on the 1 hour chart. And then we had the previous low right here at 378.14. We closed below also towards the end of the day. And on the last candle of the day, we tried to close higher than 378.14. So 378.14 is the ultimate support. And then we seem to be just right smack on it, but post-market, as we can see, we should be breaking this. So, there are fairly good chances that Tesla continues lower tomorrow. No stochastic at all on the 1 chart. And even if we take a look at the 5-minute chart, the 5-minute chart does not even have stochastic over 60. And this is the 378.14. This is pretty clear on the 5-minute chart. The 378.14 right here. So we touched it at 2 o'clock. Then boom, we broke it on the 5-minute chart. We broke it at 325. So this was a short in itself. This is the pullback that seems to fail to go higher than 378.14. So on the 5-minute chart, the time to short it was right there, at 325, hoping that the pullback would hold. And based on the post-market, we should be okay with that. So this was the short right here. And on the 1 hour chart, the entry was after that candle that finished at 330. This was the candle that broke the support at 378.14. So the short could be engaged on the 1 hour chart after 330. And then the stop loss would be around the last high, so at 384.27. So this is what it is. This is kind of the play-by-play, what we can do on the 5-minute chart, on the 1 hour chart, on the daily chart. Well, on the daily chart, this is a little bit different. On the daily chart, I would almost wait for 376 or even that one right here at 373. At 373, and this kind of makes sense because we are touching, and let me make it a little bit clearer, we are touching that same candle right here at 373. So it's possible that it's possible that if you shorted on the 5-minute chart and on the 1 hour chart that we have a little bit of a bump at 376. But, this is part of the course. Nothing is for sure. Nothing is for sure. What we are trying to do right here on this channel is to increase the probability of our trades. And what I have been discussing with you today is basically the thought process that's happening. Of course, when you are on the community, on Discord, then I can go into more details as the day is going. But right here, I'm trying to condense things a little bit so that you can have a little bit of a taste. So yeah, Tesla is not doing that good. So 3.5% down. If we take a look at the VIX, VIX is coming down. So the whole stock market should be happy and going higher. But things are not that clear. Let's take a look at the bonds. Boom, bonds dropping by almost 2%. So we closed at 4.42. So this should be also helping the stock market. Let's take a look at that stock market. Dow Jones continuing higher, good day, almost at 0.71% up. S&P, another nice candle, 0.39%. NASDAQ, 0.42%. So, nice day for the indices, even Russell. Oh boy, look at this. Okay, the small caps might be coming into play very soon. So we need Russell to break 23.25 in order to consider it the time to go back to the small caps. And taking a look at the watch list, this is pretty much 50-50, 50% up, 50% down. Let's take a look at the heat map. Heat map, not too bad. And we have Google, we have Tesla that have been doing pretty badly, relatively badly. Amazon, not doing too good. But the rest is mainly green, a bit of black, and just a little bit of red. In terms of the economic data that are coming out, so we had today the ISM service PMI. This is the non-manufacturing report on business. It's based on data compiled from purchasing and supply executives nationwide. So they are basically asking them, are you going to buy more or are you going to buy less? And the answer was, we are going to buy less. 52.8 and the forecast was at 54. So the economy does not seem to be doing so good. We are going to get additional data on Friday. Non-farm payrolls, are they increasing or not? Unemployment rate. So these are quite important numbers. Unemployment, we see a rise in unemployment. We are at 4.1%. So is it increasing with Trump? Is it decreasing with Trump? We are going to start seeing some effects, not all of the effects. So this is why we are taking a look at that. And in terms of the news, the news is not too good for Tesla. Tesla stock fell. California might be turning against Elon Musk. So we see a lot of news events. We know that Elon Musk is the head of DOGE, the Department of Government Efficiency, and there's a lot of pushback. This is in the news. Well, Elon is gaining access to some treasury system. Even my mother told me that, oh, Elon Musk has just gained access to the treasury system. And she seemed to think that, it was like he was hacking the system. So a lot of negative news for Elon himself, because people don't like him trying to review the government budget and review the expenditures. Also, Tesla sold almost 60% fewer cars in Germany in January than in the year earlier. So this is not looking too good. I did not look much into this, but on the face value of this is not looking too interesting. Also, Trump is going to remove all EV incentives. So is this going to be impacting Tesla also? So, you see there's kind of a gray cloud over the company. And basically, this is what we can assess based on the stock performance. We are waiting to buy until we break this downward resistance right here and then break this horizontal resistance. So we are a long ways away because right now we are going into the other direction. And this is looking like, this is something that we can start shorting on the 1 hour chart and also definitely on the 5-minute chart. So technical analysis is helping us know when to buy and also when not to buy. So when things are not good, we just don't buy. And we just stay aside. That's the safest place. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.